Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a PDF inside a Flutter macOS application. I will show you both, like how to display it from a network URL as well as how to display it from your local project. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly I want to show you guys this issue. Like there is a current issue for Flutter macOS that any kind of gesture like scroll and click does not work yet. So keep an eye on this particular issue in case if you're watching this video in the future. So here is the output, but unfortunately I can't scroll it. If I try to scroll it, here you can see in the terminal it is giving me this error which corresponds to this particular thing. So gesture support is still missing, even though as you can see, like I think at the time of this recording they do have something in progress, but I'm not sure if that is still merged inside the Flutter main branch as well or not. But once it is merged, all you have to do is just upgrade your Flutter version. So let's see how to do this via code. So here inside main.dart I have taken our main.dart and I have refactored the my homepage widget. So it is a stateful widget, and here I have just passed our width and height so that our PDF occupies the entire width and height of a screen. Then I have taken a safe area size box, and here we have taken our custom widget. Now we need to wrap this custom widget inside a size box or a container and provide width and height, otherwise it won't get displayed. Even though you tried setting the height and width from the native macOS side, it still won't work. And here I'm passing our URL. So this PDF is located on this particular URL. Now don't use this URL, it won't work for you. I will delete this Firebase project. You can create your upload your PDF to your own server and test it. Next, here I have created this identifier. So same identifier we will have to use on Flutter macOS side as well. And here I have created a stateful widget. We are taking the URL, and that URL has been appended to this particular map of creation params. Here we are generating our unique key. The key is required because suppose later you try to update the URL dynamically, the widget should get updated. That's why I'm using this key, and for that I have written this did update widget method as well. Like I'm overriding this method. And inside build we are just checking if it is macOS, then just display an AppKit view, pass your key, pass the view type, pass layout direction, creation params and creation param codec. Next you will have to go to your macOS folder, open the XE workspace inside Xcode, and inside runner the first you will have to allow the in runner what you will have to do is you will have to check this checkbox of incoming connection as well as outgoing connection. You might see two app sandbox, one for debug and one for release mode. You will have to check it for both, and once you check it for both, this will get merged into one app sandbox. Next you will have to go to my macOS native view factory, and here before that go to main Flutter window file which we already have, and here I have just written the boilerplate code which we have to write for integrating any kind of a native view. And I've used the same identifier which I have used it on our Flutter side as well. Now we are referencing this Swift file, my macOS view native view factory. I have created it. You can name it whatever you feel like. Rest everything is boilerplate. Next, inside this macOS native view factory again we have to write a lot of boilerplate. So just import this PDF kit. Apart from this, the entire thing up till here is boilerplate code. Next, the important part is here we are creating our PDF view which is imported from PDF kit, and then we just assign PDF view dot auto resizing mask, pass our width and height. Then we get the URL which was sent from Flutter side, and then we just construct a natural URL because this particular URL parameter is in string, and then we assign the PDF document to our PDF view. So yeah, that's it. Now suppose if you want to you have shipped a PDF along with your project. So here you can see I have dragged and dropped one PDF like dummy PDF. Make sure this target membership of runner is checked, and then instead of using it inside over here, instead of using it something like this, you can just comment this out and use something like this. You don't need to pass a URL parameter from Flutter side, you can just remove that. Again, this is my PDF name dummy, and this is the extension for it. So that's how I'm loading it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.